If you dey look me wine and you dey hear me koroko, now you say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and we dey talk say happy new month to everybody. When we say follow us enter inside this new month of July, our prayer and I say as we dey work hard to move our country forward, all our efforts no go dey in vain. Our country go continue to dey grow. Now the chairman television station, now the OGBONGE politics discussion show as e dey hot. I will not go waste time. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi.
A beautiful Friday morning to our wonderful viewers who watch us right now. They are second edition of our program. And now we don't carry cow coming our way. Well, we'll give now all the different information we'll talk from Monday reach yesterday with us. So at least for our viewers who miss out for any of these days, or probably will miss out throughout, at least today now we'll get the opportunity to do it, to listen to the whole story. So that anyway interested now we'll do it now, we'll feel call and also contribute. And make now be in line, so we get 3 solid telephone line from 1 to 3 line. Don't free line, I go call, I go talk, I go express myself. But when it comes to the payment, make una leave that one for us. My name never say change. My name is Nkubi. And this now AS E DEY HOT.
We go start with Monday as we always do, and we call them tear rubber Monday based on say on Friday we dey lock shop carry key go out, but our ear dey ground. On Monday we'll carry all the action tori from weekend, drop them as e dey hot, make we dey take them one by one. We dey call Mondays all the action tori wey happen for inside the Nigeria for weekend. And the first one we'll start we get to do with the forgery allegation against the high-ranking members of the House of Senate, Dr. Bukola Saraki, Ike Kuremadu, the immediate past clerk of the National Assembly and in deputy. 4 of them carry waka enter go court based on the accused when we say the executive knock on top of their head, say the standing rule of the Senate, they carry biro, change something when they inside there as it get to do with how they will take vote, whether na secret or whether na open. But information when they come from left to right, people from the Senate come talk say, it be like say this one now moved by the executive to stampede the legislature. But they come and talk say make una go court, go answer una case, go clear your mama name. You get the opportunity to do that one. From that particular story, we enter the one we get to do with the soldier work when our soldier people they do. Based on say they free 5,000 people from the hands of Boko Haram Jaguda people. We can't talk for here say no be to free, now be the first thing. They go free these people, they go send them go internally displaced people's camps. Make them ensure say they take good care of these people and make them speed the process of say that they reconstruct their homes so that these people go there because camp and not be where they stay forever. We also talk about the escape when happen inside Kuje, where they talk say prison where they keep people and they just put plank on top of wall, bang bang, they climb the thing, just escape like that. But they talk say the people when do this badness, they don't put manhunt and they don't pap these people them back. They also talk about the activities of militants them for inside Ogun and Lagos area. They may talk say some of these people, they talk say they do oil bunkering business before, but our soldier people can't pursue them. They can't come back to can't do revenge, can't buy plenty people. But the Lagos State Police Command can't come and talk say then they on top of the situation and nothing they happen at all. And one way sweet our man who you stop them up now say our doctors them they don't come and talk say okay, they go suspend their strike, they go they discuss with government people. That now all the story won't carry come on top of Monday tear rubber as e dey hot. And
straight up on Tuesday we'll come and enter the same Niger Delta matter we'll call Niger Delta. How if we take so that is how if we take settle the matter finally. And we'll come carry OGBONGE barrister, and that is Oga Ken Asuwere enter studio. And then the matter can be say, look, Oga Presido come out when they get this thing fast break with some people. We can't talk say, hey, make them do it, make them help them, make these people help them beg the militants, make them start to destroy what we get. And then say at least say the way they destroy it, say it's no good for the country at all. But then in a swift reaction, we can also get reports from one of the militancy group. We talk say, look, Oga Presido, stop to the beggars. Not the beggars, don't be begging go solve the issue. Make you address the main issue rather than come out here call the beggars to make you know the bomb this thing, make you know the bomb destroy our pipeline and a couple of other things. Oga Ken will also join and talk say the problem every day for Niger Delta matter, say it plenty well, and because of the government don't they do it, no they great address, and that is why all this badness will they continue. Say he can mention a couple of things, mention the Maritime University where they establish, where this federal government can do it, come close down. Say all these things and a couple of other demands. Now waiting, now they among waiting they make these people they vex, they para say, look, you can't just be collecting something from our own ground. They think they develop other places, and in the end, you can't leave us the way we did. Say even All the plan when I say that they put ground on ground. The plan now we just give stretch plan without seeing effective results on top of it. Say all these things has to stop. And how if it takes stop, make Oga Presido, make it identify the main problem, make it find solution to them quickly.
On Wednesday, we carry the one we get to do with our judiciary enter inside studio. And we get one OGBONGE lawyer, we sabi law book where Barrister Justice Uwebu. We call that one, waiting judiciary, they do safe. We break them down, talk say, if we check the organs or arms of government, we get three. The executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The work of the legislature is to make laws. The executive is to carry out this law. And the judiciary is to interpret the law. But we can't talk, say, based on the equation we know inside the Nigeria today, it be like, say, the executive and the judiciary and they do their power to use fee bend our legislature. This one get to do with three cases when we say we don't notice inside Obodo, Nigeria. The one we will talk about on Monday when get to do with the forgery allegation against Ike Kweremadu and also Bukola Saraki and the immediate past clerk and the deputy of the National Assembly. We also talk about the one wey happen inside Abia State when we say the Federal High Court when they sit down for Abuja come out come talk say the governor when they there they don't notice some kind wuru k things when enter inside the arrangement say make they issue the certificate of return according to INEC to the person when carry second for the PDP primaries. We can also talk about the one about EFCC and Ayodele Fayose as it get to do with the freezing of your account. Our barrister come out come talk say if we check government be like clock. Everybody they operate to you see say the time they correct. Make we allow everybody get the freedom to do what they're supposed to do. He also talk and say if you get time to go court, so long as you get fair hearing, make you go court, go clear your name. But he come mention one important thing, say impunity. Now be the great grandfather of corruption. That is when people they behave like say they don't get respect for the law. He talks say all of us for inside the world Nigeria, we dey subject, that is all of us they under the law. Nobody pass the law. And also they do things inside our country when we say you go really show say all of us they respect law. That's now what we discuss on Wednesday, 29th of June. As E Dey Hot.
And yesterday will be Thursday. We come enter straight into the IDP matter, that is internally displaced people's this thing camp. We will contact say, look, these people, national God hand the day. Because following the report we come out from Doctors Without Borders, where they come out say about 20, not even about 20, so over 20 people. Now they die for this camp, now they die for IDP camp daily. We come multiply and say if 20 people they die for camps, these IDP camps daily. How you can be if not a week? Which means in a week now like 140 people they die with that. And we can also multiply by 4 weeks. In a month, how many people? 560 people. Now then they pay with that. So if we can't get this number of people with a pay as a result of negligence, as a result of say okay the rights what they're supposed to provide for them, shelter, good food, good proper health, say it not available, and the court say we get government in place. What will be the way forward? What will be that way government supposed to do? Because if government don't neglect this way, we say somehow, where we say they don't treat them like second-hand citizens. Where we say even second-hand citizens for some countries better pass them. Say, hey, which means hey, say, hey, there is something wrong. Because Oga Presido even come declare state of emergency on top of this matter. I want to say, when you hear this report, come they para well. And when they talk, say, it is not about paraing. It is about at least make sure say if you don't put things on ground, make sure say you follow up on that thing to ensure say at least that thing will put on ground or whoever you carry that responsibility give. Make it reach out, make it sure that they reach out to the people. That is the people who are affected by this same problem. We can also talk say part of the waiting they even cause this same problem are waiting. Say now we say we also they do it and carry our own hand spoiling because how they will carry responsibility give you. You can't see that responsibility they carry give you. Say now you they convenient for and you can't carry them. Can't they put out for your own backyard? Instead of to do it to carry them, do what they're supposed to say make it take and do. I mean, if you look at it, you go see everybody they involved for this matter. Now until we collectively say okay, we'll make we address this matter, make we find solution to that, we go feed the see waiting, we go feed the see result. That be the matter.
Una don't hear all our gist from Monday go reach Thursday, but based on say we dey talk say we dey do small chops on Friday after we don't serve the jollof. We will just drop the stories them when they carry first inside news now based on current affairs. The first one get to do with what did happen for inside Abia State. As it be like say constitutional WWE, that is Royal Rumble, don't enter inside the arrangement. As the Federal High Court when they sit down for Abuja been talk say with immediate effect, say make INEC issue a certificate of return, give Oga Uche Oga, say now he be the new governor of Abia State. But the other governor don't carry waka enter inside court. It can't be like say the way we dey now two governors and dey inside Abia State. And the second one get to do with some people when we say that they get case to answer based on say they collect money when they're not supposed to collect. But now they don't come out contact say we don't ready to return money or we don't return money. Everybody knows say one of our soldier people stock man when they inside soldier before Oga Amosu say 2.6 billion. In lawyer don't come and talk say e be like say that 2.6 billion somehow the thing enter their account they don't know but they're ready to return the money now. And Oga Olisametu wey even grow white beer on top of in case say no even he don't spend the 400 million on top of waiting they say make him use the money do. He said don't come and come to say e be like say inside the EFCC detention when in day he don't come think well because normally the AC when they blow am before no be the kind AC when they blow am now. He come to say he don't come think well now reach the level when he come look say if he return that 400 million when they talk say make him return say the thing go make sense well. We dey ask questions say these people wey no return this money now shey na say we go just tell them say okay you do well as you return am begin dey waka.
Thank you very much. The point is say the Chukwudi don't ask the right question. The right question is say okay all these people they don't talk say yes say they still want money or the other say in the end if they return this money say we just say okay you people have done well. I mean we know say now steal this money and you have done a very good thing by doing it by returning the same money where you steal from the people. And as a matter of fact as a result of this in fact make we applaud now clap for them okay me now go na house me now go to sleep me now go there enjoy. Is that how it is done? Now what do we want to know? What will be the next way we go follow? Because person no fit just carry money wey dem design for people for a particular nation carry and put for im pocket and in the end you can't even say the person go sleep go dey continue the enjoyment wey dey continue before. No, we must see the end of this action film.
Very
we
true.
Must see the end.
This one don already show say the fight against corruption the thing get the direction when e dey go. Because if people when we say they talk say okay una collect money and initially dem bin dey talk say I no collect the money or this money when I collect I use am do this thing but the person now don come agree say okay make I return the money. A very good one because if you do plus or minus 2.6 billion plus 400 million. Hey. You don't reach 3 billion naira now. And if they invest that one for one particular thing inside our country, we go to see. And this one a lesson to everybody say money will belong to all of us inside our Obodo Nigeria. We must do everything we do to use ensure say if they give you the power to protect that money, protect them because at the end of the day you go answer your money.
This issue of Mogame too growing that is overnight or suddenly growing
white baby.
I mean. We go refer as Moses of our time.
You know, say the thing when why you go ask question, you bring your voice. Now, like saying about thing you want to.
No, question.
No, they tell me say you want ask question. Okay. You ask question, you bring your voice down. Make come like saying that me be the back way. And you know this is my normal volume. You ask question, they bring voice down. Why you gonna bring voice down?
Now question I ask you.
They use your real voice and ask question.
I ask and say okay, may I ask you? Say.
I know they hear. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. We are fighting corruption in this country. We are supporting the government that is committed to fighting corruption.
No, question. You ask question now.
You raise voice to para. You don't feel raise voice to ask question. Ask Nigerians the question. Don't ask me.
No.
Ask Nigerians the question. How you go come for? How you go come for? Because say Olisametu grow white beer overnight. Which kind of heart you get?
No,
are you heartless? Not when you talk.
No, when I talk.
Not when you talk.
Oga Olisametu. He grow beards.
He grow white beard overnight. Say why he go grow white beard overnight?
I can't say the beard. Say they related to one particular.
Now 400 million naira beard now. If you get 400 million naira, you know how your beard go to grow.
I'm an expensive one.
Expensive. Person when about person when.
Even with the beard self, he don't promise to return the money.
Very very true. But it go good make we also see say for our society. We not go to celebrate people
at
for wrong thing when they do. You don't return 400 million. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You say your lawyer say you go return 2.6 billion.
Thank you too.
If no, thank am 3 times because your money big.
3 goes and short.
3 goes for you. Go sir.
You do well. But then
after una return that money,
make we know what go happen.
Exactly.
Make we not just say then they continue their lifestyle because we won't know what will happen.
Exactly.
And others when they involved.
We
need to know the end of this action film. We must see the results. That's simple as that.
Happy as you say others when they involved.
Yes.
Because like what our barrister been talk say if you see chicken when they for where this thing shit dey they use it like this. Say make you pursue am.
Because you never know whether you go chop the leg.
Chicken.
Now
you be like who dey chop chicken leg well well.
I dey chop better part of him body, the labs. I mean, that is the thighs and then the wings. I mean, better part is tummy side, but not the leg. I mean, I can't eat the leg of the chicken.
The way you call, you say the laps of chicken. The
thighs, yes. And
the way you call, like, they obviously say, he like 3 years ago, now you chop chicken last. You are not familiar with the anatomy of a chicken.
Okay, break down the anatomy of a chicken to me.
Now, what you for ask me before?
No, I want you to break it down.
No, what you for ask me before?
No, break it down.
You come say, I eat the thighs.
Since you know the anatomy of chicken,
I don't tell you.
Break thighs down for me.
You don't know anatomy, the physical anatomy of a chicken.
Tell me.
You are not discussing chicken here. We are discussing action stories from all over this week.
Okay, no problem.
I go like we also talk about this one because when I've been come here vibrate, the thing touch Nkubi, and I know say they don't act upon the condition of internally displaced persons inside of Nigeria.
That we know say that.
What you know say now? Allow me to land first.
Okay.
Oga Presido. President Muhammadu Buhari, our father, a sympathetic man, a man of the people, a man with a kind heart, a man that we know.
But
excuse me.
But try yesterday, when would they talk about this matter? I know as usual they take. No, in as much as Naim the president, no doubt. We go see the hammer on top of her. If he get things wrong, that one they appropriate because at least as president supposed they monitor what they do. But then, so I just say what they talk about. I know it's just they tackle. All this is what they talk about.
You know why? You know why?
You don't talk about yesterday.
You know why?
You don't talk about yesterday.
Because I am a man of truth.
Oh,
exactly.
The same way I am a man of truth.
If I come here, they talk about internally displaced people, and I come they talk am like say I want to praise the Oga Presido. When 20 people, over 20 people, they die every day, then it means that I'm a Pharisee, and that is like that's what you are. Because I come here to talk, say, excuse me, let me land. No, excuse me, let me land. I'm not saying, I say it's like that's what you are. It's like that's what you are.
I don't want to understand the figure of speech where they use for this thing. Whether not similar or anything, it's like I don't want to know. The point here is the point here is you don't mention, I don't mention.
The point here is we have a caller. No, we have a caller.
So you are breaking into my talk.
I'm not breaking. I'm respecting our caller. Are you the one that gave him credit? Are you the one that gave him credit?
We don't get call. Where is the caller? Tell me where is our caller right now? This talk I must finish him.
Are you sure you did not chase this caller away?
How did that? Did we hear any voice from anybody?
Begin they clap like market woman. We don't have call. Why are you clapping? Is there anything to clap about?
You don't do you.
Is there anything to clap about?
Who is saying
when bag of rice is 21,000?
Don't bring it to the shop bag of rice.
Tomato is scarce.
Hey, please.
There's no light.
Let us address the problem on ground. All this is they talk as if the whole problem is there on the head of one particular set of people. As if we as Nigerians, we don't get to solve this badness.
As we come to talk and why people don't come act upon them.
Make we also ask ourselves sincerely, say, okay, from my own mind, what do we do? Nobody they talk say, nobody always talk and say, John F. Kennedy, he got this talk.
When are they talking for here? Why you gonna block him? When are they now you don't copy the talk? When are they talking? Why they block him?
From a different angle.
Which angle?
A different angle.
Angle 90. Angle, Mr. Angle, triangle, acute angle, isosceles triangle.
Rectangle angle, I'll bring her from.
Isosceles triangle.
Please. You don't do it.
Mr. Angle, last angle.
You don't do it.
You don't do you too. Don't they point me finger.
You don't do you.
People that are representing Nigerians are talking the truth.
Now they represent Nigerians. We know they get the feel of Nigerians. What they go through.
We know you they represent.
Please respect yourself.
You wear vanilla color.
Respect yourself.
Come here, they talk this thing.
Respect yourself.
You too respect yourself. Don't shine your eye for me.
Respect your
Don't shine your eye. Shine eye for people that are not doing their work well in the internally displaced people's camp. Shine eye for me. Shine eye for people that want to stampede the legislature.
We never shine eye for me.
Shine eye for people that are.
We never shine eye
for this thing.
How much of eye you want shine? Say, make no go shine your eye. Make your eye go fall off. Because there's a limit to shine of eye.
I will continue to shine my eyes for Nigerians to know the truth.
At the time,
I will continue.
See, if your
just like
Awolowo,
just like Awolowo they shine the eye, just like Nnamdi Azikiwe they shine the eye, just like Ganifa Wahimi they shine the eye, just like Femi Falana they shine the eye. I will join them to shine my eyes. You don't follow them now. You don't wear suit. Your eye don't dim.
No, because na suit I wear.
Your eye don't dim. Your eye don't dim. You don't wear suit before. Your eye don't dim.
No address matter.
Address this issue now. This issue. The issue
what
of
issue?
The monkey hand that is happening in Abia State. Address it.
How is Abia State? How is it concerning?
You know, be small chops.
Tribunal don't the court don't do it. Don't give the order. What you want me to do again? I be court. I mean, the tribunal will talk say. Not even court will talk say. Okay, make the person carry second for the PDP primary. Make it continue. They give a certificate of return so make it go be governor. Now I take it out there. The question should be asked to say, okay, what bring up this immediate handling of a certificate?
Thank you very much. That's what I want you to. That's what I want you to answer.
Now handling of certificate.
That's what I want you to answer. And Oga Emeka from Abuja will help us answer it. I been want to chase him away too.
Emeka, good morning.
Oga Emeka, respect him.
I'm respecting him.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I just make my name. Indeed, 400 million BS in the group overnight. But they go tell them now. So many things to talk about, but let's go straight to the point.
Okay.
Say return the money, we go thank and say, make a return the money, God bless him. But the fact is, saying go face the judgment.
Exactly.
Why did I say this? Go to court. You go see person where, because say it's still radio. It's still one thing.
Thank you.
Somehow, but you say no be individual. And then they know. You did this. You done that. You did this. The judge for 4 years in prison. Talk of we still we share. You don't give. There's another one. Talking about kidnappers, I'm going somewhere with this. Talking about kidnappers, kidnappers.
Okay, Emeka, beg. The line they break. They break. We don't hear you clearly. You fit come up from there. I'll make you call us back later.
Make you call us back.
Call us back later so I will go hear you well. We get another caller. Good morning.
Oga okay from Calabar.
Oga okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Oga okay, I greet you.
I wish you a happy weekend, though.
They wish you the same.
Make a shipment more about the people where they return our
Money
where they don't carry before. Now after the reggae play the blues, they must face the penalty. Maybe to return the money, because I believe so if elephant no follow drag something, no one knows to drag something they had. So when they return the money, we no go clap for them, we no go celebrate them. At least they must serve somewhere. That one big day. Then again for inside Abia State, make our people learn how to respect the rule of law.
Okay.
Maybe say when they talk, say you are not qualified, maybe a forgery of a thing, you still pay this in 6, say that place na your father's seat. That place is meant for you. No, you must respect. Then if you want to go to Supreme Court or any higher court, hey, feel free. But you need to vacate the seat for now. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga okay. And from that call, make we do it. Make we enter straight into this break. And when we come back, the matter continues. Will they come?
To enjoy more of these our Obonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.